In this video, I'll show you how to create and add multiple user accounts on a Mac. This is useful if more than one person uses the same Mac because each person can have their own separate profile, files, settings, and apps. It also helps keep personal data private and organized. To get started, go to the bottom of your screen and open System Settings. Once System Settings opens, look at the menu on the left side, then scroll down and click on Users and Groups. Here, you'll see the current users already added to your Mac. To create a new account, click Add User. Your Mac may ask for your password before you can make changes. Enter your password, then click Unlock. Now you can set up the new user account. First, choose the account type. You can select Administrator, Standard, or Sharing Only. For most people, Standard is the best option because it allows the user to use the Mac without changing important system settings. Next, enter the person's full name. The account name will usually be created automatically, but you can edit it if needed. After that, create a password for the new user, then type the password again to verify it. You can also add a password hint to help them remember it. When everything is ready, click Create User. The new account will now be added to your Mac. The next time you go to the lock screen or restart the Mac, that user will be able to log in with their own account. And that's how you create multiple user accounts on a Mac. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more quick Mac tutorials.